Class, today we are going to be covering rocks, the three types of rocks there are and their characteristics. So let's start with the three types of rocks. I'm going to divide this really quick into about 3 sections. Okay, so first we're going to cover sedimentary rocks. These rocks are made up of many different pieces called sediments. Sediments can include clay, sand, bones of animals, and shells. Sedimentary rocks are formed through pressure and heat. Sometimes it can be ore. Also, sedimentary rocks are often found near water because of all the sediments that are required for sedimentary rocks. Then we're covering igneous. Igneous is formed when molten lava is cooled. Okay, molten lava is cooled, and the rate the lava cools is also a factor in the crystal structure that the rock or mineral has. And then we have metamorphic. You might have heard the word metamorphic before. It means to transform or change. This type of rock or mineral is formed from pressure and heat of 2 rocks. And these rocks can include sedimentary, igneous, or even another metamorphic rock. That way, it combined makes a whole new rock. Now we're going to talk about characteristics. There are specifically 6 that every type of rock and mineral has. Those are hardness, luster, color, crystal structure, streak, and cleavage, and fracture. We'll start with hardness. Hardness is when you test or scrape the rock against another rock, and if it leaves a mark or doesn't leave a mark, that means how hard or soft it is. There's a Mohs hardness scale that 1 is the softest and 10 is the hardest. Next, we'll move to luster. Luster means that there is either a metallic or non-metallic shine to this rock or mineral. Color there can be a variety of colors in a rock or mineral. This helps us identify, just like all the others, what rock or mineral it is. Crystal structure means that this rock or mineral could have grown with a quartz style structure. It could have been layered and super thin. It just depends on the way the rock or mineral grew. Streak is the powder that is left behind during a hardness scale. So this powder could be really soft, like talcum powder, or leave no streak at all, like a diamond would. And then there's cleavage and fracture. This means cleavage is the way the rock would break, and the fracture is the type of break. It could be a smooth edge, it could be a rough edge, or really jagged edge. And then there are some other facts that we can think about when we think about sedimentary, igneous, or metamorphic rock. Other facts include that there are observable characteristics about every single rock. There's color, just like here. There is grain. There is size. There's shape. Anything that you can see is an observable characteristic. Thank you.